Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. Today I am going to share a recipe that is a recipe with leaf. Moringa, name of the recipe is Moringa leaf Thogayal. That is a chutney kind of thing. In Bengali we can say Bata or Bhatta. We Bengali often use Sojne pata like shak, Sojne pata bora, something like that. But right now I am going to share a recipe. This bata or bhatta or chutney kind of thing. It's not a runny watery chutney. It's a thick kind of paste. As I said, it's very similar to bata or bhatta. So you can try this recipe. It's very simple, very easy, and as I said before, the recipe name can be same, but the recipe can be different because in different family they cook in a different way. So I am sharing the recipe of Moringa leaf Thogayal, which I learned from one of my South Indian friend. But one thing I must say, that Sojne pata, that is really good for health. But when I prepared this recipe, very surprisingly I saw that I am allergic to Sojne pata. I am not allergic to Sojne fool or Moringa flowers, the recipe I shared before. Even in future I will share a recipe with drumstick, like Moringa drumstick or Sojne data. I am not allergic to Sojne fool or Sojne data, but very surprisingly I saw that I am allergic. What happened with me I am sharing, that's why I am uploading this video. Once I recover, my leaves were like plump and it was like pouty leaf, so the itching problem is there. I just had for the tasting purpose I had only 1 or 2 teaspoon of that moringa leaf. First day I did not understand. I thought maybe some insect bite or something like that, so that's why it's the itching is here, entire this portion, the leaf area. Second day, after one day, not second day, after one day again I because the recipe was really good and it was very tasty, so I tried the recipe, but again the same thing happened. The itching problem was there. My entire leaves were like pouty leaves, so that's why I realized that it does not suit me. The moringa leaf or Sojne pata does not suit me. So in my diet or in my food habit, I'm not going to try it, but the recipe is good. You can try. Those who already eat Sojne pata or moringa leaf, they don't have any problem with that, because there is nothing allergic mixed in the Sojne pata or in this recipe. So the problem is with Sojne pata with me. So if you have any allergic kind of problem, do consult a doctor. I consulted a doctor and then he gave me anti-allergic tablet. I'm not taking the name because I'm not promoting any tablet or something like that. It's always better to consult a doctor and then take any medicine. So apart from that, just go through the recipe. Those who are already having Sojne pata, different kind of recipe, to try this recipe. So let's go to the recipe. Before I start the cooking, I'll show you the ingredients I'm using. The main ingredient, that is moringa leaf, Sojne pata. Let me show you. This is like that. You can get it in a local market. I don't know if you can get it in any supermarket or not, but local market it's easy available. Rest ingredient I'll show you. So I have this sliced onion, and I have Urad Daal and Chana Daal. I soaked this as because I will temper this, but I soaked it for at least half an hour so that it will be soft and I can cook it very fast. As I said that in the previous video, that we have to take care of gas as well, so that's why I'm using like this. If you want, you can use the raw one, but I prefer this in this way. And then what I have, these are curry leaf. I have my kitchen garden, small kitchen garden, so I have curry leaf from there. This is easy available in market. And this is tamarind, tetul, normal tamarind. And this is 1 tomato, that is optional. The recipe, as I said, I got it from my friend. They are using a tomato, so that is optional. And this is red chili. They are using dried red chili. They are using at least 4 to 5, but I am using 1. And this is green chili. It's slitted. I am using 1. You can use more than that. and this is lasun and or garlic, and this is ginger. If you want, you can use the paste, but I'm using in this way because I'll just fry and then cool it down, and after that I'll make the paste. That is this is the chutney kind of thing, not the rani chutney. You can say it's a chutney or bhorta kind of thing. And this is dhania or coriander leaf. And last one, this is the coconut. I'm using dried coconut. The main reason is that I want to keep this for at least 2-3 days, and moreover I don't have coconut in my home, so I prefer this dried coconut. Otherwise in the main recipe you have to use the normal grated coconut. So we will we'll start the cooking. I will cook this in vegetable oil or any white oil. So I have 3 tablespoons of white oil. I have to heat it at first. As this is the South Indian recipe, if I was preparing the bhorta, then you have to cook it in mustard oil, but here we are using vegetable oil. So it's already heated. First this red chili, and then I will add this ginger and garlic. If you want, you can use chopped garlic as well. And then I will add this onion. And around 2 to 3 tablespoons of Chana Dal and Urad Daal or Urad Daal, whatever you can say. Here the cooking will be very fast. It's an easy one. And one more thing I want to mention, that in this recipe you can find so many variations, because in South Indian home my friend is cooking in this way, which I tasted, but there are people using sesame seeds or something else. So name can be same, but the cooking process or cooking technique may be differ, like place to place or family to family. It will be little bit different. I found this is the easiest one, so I am preparing this one. So first I have to saute these very well till the aroma is coming. So I'll get back. At this point of time I'll add some more ingredients. This chopped tomato, it's a small one, and then slitted green chili, and this tamarind. I'm sorry, I was going to say tomato, so repeated thing. होता है कभी कभी. And I don't think I have to edit that as well, because it's quite normal. We can do the mistake and we can rectify that. That is life, that is cooking. Let me cook it. And now I will add curry leaf. I have, it's more than 10-15 curry leaf, because the Sojne Bata or Moringa leaf I have almost 500 grams. So according to that I have to add this and cook it till they shrink. So I am not adding any water, because the leaf I have to reduce the water, so I'm not adding any water. I am preparing this for the first time, but I have tasted it before. So let me see if I can make it properly. According to the aroma, I think I'm going right, because my friend guided me. And I will add salt. I found it really very easy to prepare, so have to wait till they shrink. And now I'll mix it, and after that I'll cover it and leave it for a couple of minutes. It's more than 5 minutes, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So I have to wait. And what I have to do once it's done, then I have to make a coarse paste, not a fine or smooth paste. As I said, this is kind of bhatta. It is chutney, but it's kind of bhatta, so we don't need to make a paste, very smooth paste. So right now I have to cover it. Let me check if it's done or not. Yes, now the water should be evaporated. It's really nice. I cannot wait to taste it. So now I will add this coriander. Just roughly turn it and add. And then this grated coconut. For me it's dried coconut. And give it a good mix. Yes, and it's almost done. The cooking portion is done. Right now what I have to do, that once it's in room temperature, cool down and room temperature, then I'll make a coarse paste and I will serve it with rice and little bit of clarified butter or ghee to eat this. So right now it's done. I'll switch off this gas. Let me show you how it is. So, and what I can say, that thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. Thanks for being with me for such a long time. This is not prepared, so just wait for, I am waiting for 1 hour, and after that I'll get back to you with the final outcome. So I'm not going to show you how to make it a paste, because everybody know how to use the mixer. So that's why I'm not showing that mixing part. So I'll just come back with the final outcome. Till then, just be with me. Thank you.